of demo has commenced.
Before we start recording anything, we like to make sure we know what we're doing. So here we removed the first single panel of the wood floor.
Woo!
Yeah, and it's pretty exciting, and we have just a little bit of rust.
Eh.
No big deal. We have a plan. We know what we're gonna do, so let's just jump right into it.
See where children walk is where the majority of the rust is. Not sure what's going on here, but it seems like we're coming up on more rust as we go further down the bus. But we're about halfway through now.
It's easy, but it's a lot of physical labor.
Yeah, but we're getting it done. Alright, so we just ripped the rubber off of all of the tires, and now we're gonna tackle this back area, which is above the engine bay. There's a disgusting old piece of rubber on it that needs to be ripped up so we can restore and paint underneath it. Let's get started.
No matter where you're from, all around the world.
This thing smells so fucking bad. It smells so bad.
So we're at the point in this project where we had to change locations, and now we're at a car washing station.
We found a car wash that was able to fit the clearance of our bus, and now we're gonna go ahead and scrub the floors and get them ready for paint. Arizona, the only fucking state hotter than ours. We're at the bus wash. We're at the bus wash, yeah. just got back from the car wash where we scrubbed and rinsed this bus not once, but twice. Then we dried everything out and now we're ready to paint. Let's get started. It's like oil. It's really thin.
Yeah, it is kind of, right?
Smell it.
It smells like oil.
Are you ready for all your husband's gay comments? Because he's swinging his caps, he must be gay.
Oh my God, this smells horrible, babe.
That's how you know it works. When it smells like gasoline. That's how you know it's the real deal.
You know what's wrong with it? Ain't got no gas in it.
You love me?
That's a wrap. So much hard work. Took a lot more time than we anticipated, but we made a huge dent in the entire project overall.
Now the bus floor is restored, and in the next video, we're gonna be installing our brand new subfloor. And we'll be so much closer to where we were on our last build. So we'll see you in the next video.
As always, thank you so much for watching.
And stay tuned for more Jess
And Jake.